You ever notice how the most exciting business ideas rarely make money, but the boring ones, the ones nobody posts on Instagram, those are the ones quietly producing millionaires while the rest of us are chasing passive income hacks? Meet Stix, our minimalist stick figure character with thin black line body, light brown skin tone, pompadour hairstyle, round black and white expressive eyes, and also the only man I know who became a millionaire by accident. Today's video is about 8 boring businesses that always, consistently, quietly make millionaires. And the craziest part? Stix started all of them, one by one. Not because he wanted to be rich, but because life forced him to. So sit tight, because the moment you stop chasing flashy businesses and start looking at the unsexy opportunities, your whole life changes. And yes, by the end, I'll show you exactly how running one of these boring businesses can build wealth faster than the fancy ideas everyone is chasing. How Stix started his first boring business. 1. Cleaning and maintenance services. Stix didn't start with a dream. He started with a broom. He noticed people in his area didn't like cleaning their shops, offices, compounds, or event spaces. So he started doing it. Just him, a broom, and YouTube tutorials on how to mop professionally. Boring? Yes. Profitable? Very. Cleaning businesses make millionaires because the demand never goes away. And soon, Stix realized something dangerous. People pay anything to avoid cleaning. A calendar appears showing bookings increasing. That's how business number 1 began. 2. Laundry and dry cleaning pickup business. After consistent customers started piling up, Stix noticed something else. People don't want to wash clothes either. He started offering laundry pickup and delivery, not even washing them himself. He partnered with existing laundries. Stix became the middleman, and the middleman often becomes the millionaire. 3. Water distribution business. Next, Stix started noticing something. People argue about many things, but never about buying water. He started buying water in bulk and delivering to homes and businesses. No fancy equipment, just reliability. Boring, extremely, but water is one of the highest recurring demand businesses on earth. Waste collection. Then came the business that officially turned Stix into a millionaire. Trash. He realized neighborhoods were always complaining about waste. So he got a small pickup, hired 2 guys, and started weekly waste collection. People paid because nobody wants trash sitting around. And businesses paid even more. You want predictable income? Go where people have predictable problems. 5. Car wash, mobile or stationary. Next, Stix realized the same people who don't want to clean also don't want to wash their cars. He started a mobile car wash. Small, cheap, simple. And the money? Beautiful. Car washes are boring, but cars never stop getting dusty. 6. Storage, mini warehousing. Stix noticed people had too much stuff and nowhere to put it. So he rented a warehouse space, divided it into small units, and boom, a mini storage business. People pay monthly to store things they never use. It's the most passive, boring business ever. 7. Bulk food trading. This one shocked even him. Stix realized restaurants and homes buy food every single week. So he started buying rice, beans, oil, flour in bulk and selling to retailers. The margins are small, but the volume is massive. And in business, volume beats excitement. 8. Laundromat, self-service machines. And finally, the business that made Stix officially say, "I'm too boring to fail." He started a self-service laundromat. Customers wash, dry, and leave. No staff, no stress. It runs almost on autopilot. And autopilot plus boring through wealth. Here's the truth. Stix never chased big ideas. He chased consistent ones. Boring businesses work because they solve boring problems. Problems everyone has. Problems that never stop. It wasn't luck. It wasn't talent. It wasn't inspiration. It was consistency and the willingness to do what others overlook. So if you're tired of chasing flashy things that don't pay, look around you. The million-dollar opportunities are probably the ones you've been ignoring. And maybe, just maybe, it's time for you to build something boring and quietly become the millionaire you didn't know you could be. I'll see you in the next video, where we break down how anyone can start at least one of these, even with small capital.